Hey guys, just a quick video on how I make shredded chicken the easy way. So first, let's get our baking pan prepped so our chicken doesn't stick. I'm going to use 2 chicken breasts here, slated for some delicious enchiladas later. We'll give these a nice coating of salt. These guys are pretty big, so don't be shy. And also some pepper. And off to a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, these are looking really good. We want to let them rest for a few minutes before we get to shredding. After they've rested for a bit, grab your stand mixer and put these guys right in the bowl. We'll attach the paddle, get the bowl into place. Yours might have the tilty head, and we're going to let the mixer do all of the hard work. This was probably less than a minute or so, so no need to overdo it. We'll slide that back and grab ourselves a bowl. Remove the paddle and let's get our chicken out of there. The mixer does a great job at evenly shredding with no muss, no fuss. And there we have it. Easy shredded chicken, ready for some enchiladas or whatever you want to use this for. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.